Basic appraisal procedures, page 232. Sales comparison approach adjustments. Following is a sample sales comparison approach analysis. Note, this example uses given numbers for adjustments that would have been calculated using the paired data analysis technique in the last formula discussed. Sales comparison grid. Math adjustments to comps. Starts with the address. Subject is 61 Lake Avenue. Cell 1. Comp 1 is 127 Dock Street. Comp 2 is 39 Lake Avenue. Comp 3 is 168 Shore Drive. Sale price. Obviously, we don't know what the subject is. Comp 1 sold for $137,900. Comp 2 sold for $149,500. And Comp 3 sold for $142,700. Terms of sale. Sale 1 was a VA. So you're going to make a $1,000 downward adjustment. Sale 2 was a conventional, no adjustment. And sale 3 is loan assumption, so $1,000 negative adjustment, downward adjustment. Date for comp 1, 21 days ago, so 0 adjustment. Comp 2 was 60 days ago, so make a upward $1,495 adjustment. Comp 3 was 85 days ago, so make a $2,854 upward adjustment. For location, the subject's on a waterfront. Comp 1's on a waterfront, so it's a wash. Comp 2 and Comp 3, they're all on waterfront, so no adjustments. Lot sizes. The subject's on 100 foot by 115 foot. Comp 1's on 105 foot by 110 foot, so no adjustment. Comp 2's on 130 foot by 130 foot, so a minus $3,000 adjustment downward. And Comp 3's on 105 by 125 lot size, so it's a $1,000 downward adjustment on that one. Condition. The subject is in good condition. Cell 1 is in average condition, so make a $2,000 upward adjustment. Sale 2 is in good condition, so it's a wash. And so is sale 3. Age. The subject is 20 years old. Comp 1 is 17 years old, so no adjustment. Comp 2 is 24 years old, no adjustment. And Comp 3 is 21 years old, no adjustment. Style and construction. The subject's brick. Comp 1's brick, no adjustment. Comp 2 is stone, so make a $3,000 downward adjustment. And Comp 3 has stucco walls, so make a $1,000 downward adjustment. Size in square feet. Subject is 1,750 square feet. Comp 1 is 1,675 square feet, so make a $750 upward adjustment. Comp 2 is 1,875 square feet, so make a $1,250 downward adjustment. Comp 3 is 1,800 square feet, so make a $500 downward adjustment. Total rooms. The subject has 7 rooms. Comp 1 has 6 rooms, so make a $1,000 upward adjustment. Comp 2 has 8 rooms, so make a $1,000 downward adjustment. And Comp 3 has 7 rooms, so it's a wash. Total bedrooms. The subject has 3. Comp 1 has 3. All of them have 3, so it's a wash. Total bathroom. The subject has 2.5. Comp 1 has 2.5, so it's equal. Comp 3 has 3, so make a $500 downward adjustment. And Comp 3 has 2 full baths, so make a $500 upward adjustment. Basement. The subject has a full basement. Comp 1 has a full, so it's equal. All of them do, so it's a wash. Garages. The subject has a 2-car garage attached. Comp 1 has a 2-car attached, so it's equal. All of them do, so it's a wash. Heating and cooling. Subject has gas/central. All of them have it, so it's a wash. And other, doesn't seem to have anything for the subject, so it's none. None for comp 1. Comp 2 had a pool, so you're going to make a $2,500 downward adjustment. And comp 3 had a deck, so make a $2,000 downward adjustment. Total adjustments. Comp 1 had a $3,750 upward adjustment. Comp 2 had a $9,755 negative adjustment. And Comp 3 had a $2,146 negative adjustment. Estimated values at the end. For Comp 1, it comes to $140,650. Comp 2 came to $139,745. And Comp 3 came to $140,554. Final value, $140,500. There's some numbers on here. I don't remember what it was for. Interesting. Okay, whatever. Page 233. Income approach, direct capitalization. You must be able to calculate property's value based on its ability to generate income. Capitalization uses net income. Depending on the exam question, you may be required to use different steps to find net income. Depreciation, annual debt service are not considered building expenses and should not be used if they are included in the problem. They are considered owner expenses. The formula for capitalization is remembered as ERV. This is the basic formula for calculating appraisal value using the income approach. Income divided by rate equals value. From a mathematical standpoint, this formula can be used to solve for any variable needed to answer the question or find the requested variable. By knowing any two variables, you can find the third using this equation. Be familiar with the following terms, as you may see them used in exam questions. Potential gross income. The income a property would generate if every unit were occupied 100% of the time. Effective gross income is potential gross income minus vacancy and collection losses. And net income is effective gross income minus building expenses. Example 1. Given the following data, find the value of the property. It shows gross income is equal to $250,000. And when they say gross income, always think of potential gross income. So they should just add the damn word because it kind of confuses you a bit. Now, underneath that, the total expenses came to $130,000. Was equal to $130,000. Depreciation was $50,000. Debt service was $25,000, and cap rate was 15%. Remember two important things. Number one, always use net income. Net income equals gross income minus expenses. And two, depreciation and debt service do not count as expenses. As is common on the test, this question is confusing because it provides extra information you do not need. Sometimes the expenses are a list of items you must add together, or they may be one figure, as in this example. Either way, ignore depreciation and debt service numbers. Calculate the answer as follows. Income divided by rate equals value. You got $250,000 minus $130,000 for expenses. divided by 15%, which was the cap rate. What does it equal? Okay, so $250,000 minus $130,000 equals $120,000 divided by 15%. Let me get my calculator out. Always press CLX, clear the display. $250,000, enter. 130 minus equals $120,000 divided by 15%. $180. No, that can't be right. Hmm. 15% of $120,000 comes to $18,000. And divide by, that's not right. Clear. $30,000, that's weird. Clear all registers. $6.67, that's a rate. Income divided by rate, 6.67, 15%. Actually, let's just do this first. Enter 18,000. I'm going to store that in register 0. Recall 0 is $18,000. Enter. And then I'm going to put 120 divide. That equals 0.15. Recall 0. Enter. Zero. 120 is the value of the property. It says $120,000 divided by 15% equals $800,000 is the value of the property. That's what your answer should come to. So we're going to work this out until we get this. $120,000, enter, divided by 15%. Let's try this out. 15% is 180. Divide, no, I'm not getting that. Divided by 15%. That doesn't sound right. What was the $250,000 is the yearly gross income divided by 15% is the cap rate. I don't think that's how it works, man. Enter 0.15 multiply equals $18,000. 120, 1, 2, 3, 4. 15%. Nope, that doesn't work either. I'm having problems with this. Let's try this out. 15%, 120, divide equals a rate, clear. Enter 120, 12. I'm not getting it. Damn it, dude. We got to figure that out. All right, extra note, IRV. Income over rate and value. 15,300 minus 6.2%. The 15,300 is the potential gross income. The 6.2% is the vacancy and income rate. Equals 14,351.40, which comes to that's the effective gross income. PGI minus vacancy and income equals EGI.